Hi friends! Welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. For this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to tie a bow in less than 3 minutes. For this bow, you're going to need some 2.5-inch width ribbon with wire, a piece of floral wire, a 4-inch zip tie, and your scissors. Now I'm going to let out about a 10-inch tail, and I'm going to let out some more ribbon and make my first loop. So I'm just pinching it together and adding it to my left hand, or you can use your right hand. Now if you stretch this loop out, it's going to measure about 10 inches because it is a 5-inch loop. So now I'm going to let out some more ribbon, make a loop, same size, on the right side. Just pinch it together, add it to the back of your hand. Keep it nice and tight between your fingers. Check to see if they're the same size. Now that one's not hardly as big, so I'm pulling a little bit to see if I can get more ribbon to make it the same size. Now I'm letting out some more ribbon, making another loop on the left side. Check to make sure your loops are the same size each time. Now I'm going to keep it nice and tight in the center. Now I'm going to the right side, letting out some more ribbon, going to make another 5-inch loop, placing it over the top. Just keep it nice and tight in your hand. Going to trim off a tail. And then I'm going to take my 4-inch clear zip tie, wrap it nice and tight around the center of my bow. Another thing I wanted to tell you, if your ribbon is not on the right side, just do a half turn with the ribbon to get the pretty side showing again. So now I'm just trimming off the extra part of the zip tie, and I'm going to take my 20 gauge floral wire, thread it underneath the zip tie. This is the back of the bow. So that way I can easily attach my bow to whatever craft project I'm working on. And so I'm going to give it a little twist, and then you can either do the ends, you can cut them at a slant, or you can dovetail them. And I like to dovetail mine, so I'm taking the end, the tail, folding it in half with the edges to the left side, going to the folded side, the right side, cutting away from the fold, and that makes the pretty V on the ends. So fold it in half. Go to the right side, folded side, cut away from the fold, and there you have the V's. Now it's important to fluff and shape your bow. So put your hand in each loop and just open it up. Just take your time. Sometimes it takes a little bit of time, patience, and practice to make a pretty bow. But I hope this bow tutorial works for you. Let me know if it helps you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already.